Here at the start of the finish line. What's going through your head?
Through the game, it was a really hard game.
Hey y'all, welcome back to BeDistinct. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see, we're actually moving houses. I gotta pack my whole room, and we actually have all the boxes here. Check this out, guys. We have a little bit of boxes, but we're moving. In a few seconds for you guys, I'm gonna show you guys the new house and how it's gonna look like, and just this whole freaking scandal. But without further ado, let's teleport to tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back. It is the next day. I just woke up. I just came back from work, and check this whole mess out, guys. Check this freaking mess. Boom, 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 boom. The mess is everywhere. But without further ado, I wanted to give you guys a nice little house tour. You know where I'm gonna be staying at. You know, it's nice to have a little house tour. Why not? And it's content for the channel. Content, man. Content's king here. So without further ado, let me freaking pack this whole thing up with my family, take it to the house, and I will show you guys a little small tour. But much more to come next week with my G35. So much more to come. I'm getting a job over the summer now, which you know what that means? That means I'm gonna get money, which means more car parts, bro. Money equals more car parts. You guys already know. So without further ado, I got so much stuff to do. And for those of you guys who live in Sacramento near me, I have a huge announcement next week that I'll be announcing hopefully, and can't wait to tell you guys. But without further ado, let's continue this house tour, and I'll be with you guys in just a moment. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all I care. I don't even care if you subscribe. Just give me a thumbs up and comment down thumbs up. See you guys. Woo! This is gonna be my room, guys. This is gonna be my room here. We got a lot of stuff. We're gonna take that out, but I get a good view from my car here. There's a car out there that that's parked, and like it's just collecting dust. There's spider webs. I don't know. I want to move it, but I don't know how. So we're gonna have to move it somehow. Let's go give them a tour, Matthew. Well, that's the front door. This is the living room here.
Wow, people are totally gonna care about the front door. Wow, it's super cool.
Down in the comments, tell me how much you care about the front door. And then we got the living room. We got the kitchen. Door. It's alright, you know. Take in mind, guys, this is just a temporary house. We're gonna stay here probably around a year, and then we're actually gonna look into purchasing a house and buying our own house of ourselves, and you know, find the one we actually like and want. So this is just a temporary thing. So it's what it is, bro. Actually, it's not that bad. It's 4 rooms. The other one had 3, so it's not bad. I'll show you guys the front of the house at the end, so you guys can see kind of like where it's at. But hey, kitchen. This is dining hall. I don't know if I like this. I mean, it's alright. Yeah, I don't know what I was expecting, like a carpet. I don't know. Here's the backyard. Now it goes back in a circle. That's where the living room was. Now we take a right. We got
I need to show you something.
What's this? Storage closet?
I need to show you something.
Anyways, we can continue on. There's a bathroom here. You can see myself vlogging. What up, bam? What up, bam? It's alright. It's decent. It's decent. It's decent. Come on, guys. It's decent, right? It's got blue water. Hell yeah.
What the heck is this?
Anyway, oh shoot. She scared me. Anyway, this is kind of the master bedroom. Am I here like in the corner? It's alright. Stand on the other side. 5,000 steps. You know. Here's the. It gets a closet, bathroom. Oh, somebody in there?
No.
Oh no!
It's a deep room.
Oh shoot! See, there's the other room. One room. We got the other one. You guys got 1, 2, and then this is weird because it's like between the living room and like the rooms, right?
It was at this moment Jackson knew he fucked up.
No, we're not, bro. I don't know what the hell you're thinking about. We're sharing room, bro. We're not sharing rooms. There's 4 rooms for a reason.
You wanted that room over there, and then
I choose this one.
I already had this one.
No, you didn't. Back off.
Before I smack your face.
Alright, guys. Now I'm vlogging with my camera. I feel like every time I'm in the new house, the camera. Every time I'm in the whole house, my phone. But almost settled, guys. Almost settled. This was dead. Almost settled. We got a lot of stuff going on. Almost. Dude, bruh. they're so nice, bro. I don't know how I feel about it, bro.
I like this neighborhood.
I don't know. Have y'all seen that movie, something at Moss House, whatever? I feel like it's crazy, bro. Like, super nice, bro. Like, hey, we have a pool. You ever want to come over? Oh, hey, you want money? We'll give you money. Hey, you want a Ferrari? Hey, take my Ferrari. Like, that nice, bro. And I'm like, fool. Like, I don't know if it's something suspicious. I don't know if it's a sign. Like, it's crazy. So I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. But it's a little bit crazy. So we'll continue with the vlog, and I'll give you guys another tour. We're almost out, boys. Almost out, guys. And I'll give you guys a more proper tour. Sorry, but we're just a whole lot of chaos, bro. Moving day in one day, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy. I gotta tell you that. But Rager tonight, oh my god. Yeah, dude. You tired or what?
Yes.
Oh gosh. Oh well. This is with my iPhone. Different camera. All right, guys. Guys, it is 11:14, and we're still not settled in. We still need a bunch of stuff, and I'm fucking sleepy as fuck. But dude, it's a little bit small and crowded, but hey, it'll get the job done. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Alright, what's up, guys? It's day 2. This is gonna kind of spill over because I was so tired yesterday. I couldn't edit or nothing like that, and we're still not even done. So I'm gonna finish moving in. Got the bro here. We'll continue today. I'm gonna give you guys another small little tour and shit. You already know. But I'm still gonna go take pictures at a soccer game. You guys can see what I do on the weekends. Take pictures and shit. I'm gonna sell my tires. So if you guys are interested, I'm gonna show you guys real quick what it is, and then Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're here with Ona Power, none other than the star of tonight's game, clinching 2 goals with a 3-2 win over San Ramon.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, Ona, how did you feel after this game? What was going through your head?
Through the game, it was a really hard game. The other team were coming at us with a lot of intensity. I thought the guys held our composure to just, hold the lead. So I thought we did really well. We just got to keep building and we go up from here.
Awesome, awesome. So what do you guys need to work on from now on forward? I know you guys are close to getting the first
Best player in the world right here. Best player in the world right here. Remember the name, Ona Power, 6th God, the greatest that's ever done it.
Cyrus versus the world. Yo. Oh, he's taking him down the line. What was going on through your head? What's going on through your head?
Man, they bodied me. They're way better than me. This is the future right here.
Alright guys, so we're here in the middle of nowhere and we're just taking pictures of my car. But today, it concludes the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to click that subscribe button. Like the video. You guys already know you guys are the best. Let's get to 2,900 subscribers strong. We got headlights coming in soon. We got diffusers. We got fusers. We got dude. You guys already know everything's coming soon to the channel. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys next video for some more content. It's been a struggle with this move, but without further ado, let's get one final pull here and then we'll conclude this. Peace. Here at the start of the finish line. Here we go. 3,